Okay, we finished our tattoo here on Mitchell, and I'm going to go ahead and wipe it down. Okay, so I'll wipe down. And I wanted to discuss for a few minutes the aftercare of tattoos. I've had quite a bit of experience of getting tattooed at different shops, and I've been told many different things from many different tattoo artists and tattoo shops. The apprenticeship that I got, he promoted dry healing, which means just wash it with soap and water by hand, no rags or anything, and just let it heal. That's what he did. I personally believe they should apply just a very light coat of A&D ointment or Vaseline, and I mean light coat, like just a dab on your finger, just to keep it a little moist. And do that one day, wash it up the following day, do it again, do that for 3 days, and from that point, just let it do its own healing, and keep some Lubriderm, unscented lotion around, just in case it gets a little dry. But let it heal naturally, just like it was an abrasion. It's really important. And do not put any fragrance lotion, any scented or odd things. Vaseline or A&D ointment, extremely light coat, a couple times a day, and then from that point, Lubriderm, and you're set. If it's not a bad practice to, when you finish with the tattoo, to put some, a decent coat of Vaseline over the tattoo, and then put some plastic and tape. But that's primarily to protect the tattoo from the time you come out of a shop till you get home. We're working in an environment, and I'm trying to help to give the beginning tattoo artists some information and what may help them along the way. So hopefully everything will work out. This tattoo worked out just fine. It's simple, and Mitchell seems happy with it.
Oh, yeah.
My name's Jesse Bradley. I'm representing ExpertVillage. I just got done showing you some of the basics of tattooing to help the beginning artist start with his tattooing career. And basically I took you guys through inks, machine setup, a little bit about sterilization, some tattooing, what you're going to need, as well as the materials you're going to need from the suppliers and the suppliers to contact. And that's pretty much where you're at. So good luck on your journey with tattooing, and it's been a pleasure doing this for you guys.